If your shower handle is leaking, you should fix it before it gets worse and you wind up with a much bigger problem and hating everything. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your shower cartridge. First, we're going to shut off the water supply, and you'll probably have to do this at the main house valve. Next, we're going to remove the shower handle. There's a set screw underneath that takes an Allen wrench. And if you're not sure what size, this tool is great because it has everything you could need. So we're going to find the right size and simply unscrew underneath the handle and it pops right off. And then we're going to remove this plastic handle hold. It's just one screw right in the middle and it will also slide right off. Now we're going to remove the collar. And right here, there's a pin that we need to use a flathead screwdriver. And we're just going to gently lift it up and out. It should slide out relatively easy. And once you have it out, you're going to want to put it off to the side someplace safe because we will reuse this piece later. Now, this piece right here is cut like a square because it's made for your wrench. So put your wrench right on it, and we're going to gently go back and forth, breaking the seal on the old cartridge. Nothing too hard, just a gentle sway back and forth, and that'll help release it. Now we're going to grab our channel locks and slide it right out. We're going to hold on to that piece and pause here and head to Home Depot and make sure we take that with us. We're going to find our plumbing aisle. And somewhere down that plumbing aisle, there'll be a section for cartridges and stems. Now, don't panic. This is why we took the old one with us, so that we can make sense of this chaos. And we're simply going to go through it and find the one that looks exactly like the one in our hand. And this is it. So now that we have the cartridge that we need, we're going to head back to the job. We're going to make sure the orientation is correct and slide this straight in. If you're having a little bit of trouble, you could use a touch of Vaseline to help it slide. And we're going to use our wrench again to gently twist back and forth while applying forward pressure and slide it right into the groove. And once we have it seated correctly, we're going to replace that pin, slide it right down into the grooves that are there, and you're going to want to feel it click into place. Once we have that in place, we're going to put the collar back on. And we're going to attach the plastic handle hold with that one screw right in the middle. And once that piece is on, I'm going to stop here and turn the water back on. This way I can get a good look at things and make sure there are no leaks. And we are good to go. So I'm going to put the handle back on. It slides right into place, and we're going to insert that set screw and tighten down so that there's no wiggle in the handle. And the only thing left to do is test it. And this repair is done. I'm the Happy Handyman, and if this video was helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more practical home repair tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.